Hello everyone, today I'll be giving you a complete guide to how to fill up the NID DAT exam registration form. Starting with, you'll have to sign up to the website or else log in if you have already signed up. Then on, you'll have to fill in the basic details such as applicant name, date of birth, email ID, etc. Then after moving forward, you'll be seeing such a flashing on your screen wherein all your basic details will be shown. You'll have to clarify that you agree to the information that has been provided here and it is correct, and if it is found incorrect your candidature shall be cancelled. You have to tick at this box and only then can you fill up the further details. Exam center, I filled up New Delhi for example. Place of birth, district, state, then such details such as father's name, mother's name, annual income of the family. We have options such as less than 8 lakhs, between 8 lakhs, more than 12 lakhs. Blood group of applicant, is English your first language? If it is your first language you have to tick yes, otherwise no. Then we have to fill up the address, present address and permanent address. There's an option if in case both are same, it shows same as present address. If you tick on that, your present address will be copied automatically on your present address. We have three options: address line 1, address line 2, city, pin code, as well as country, state as well. Now we have to fill up the education details, 10 plus 2 or equivalent, the board, stream, school's name, year I've passed the school. Now we have three questions. Why have you chosen NID's Bachelor of Design program? We have to fill up this form in not more than 900 characters. Next question is, how do you think this course will help your academic plans and your career ambition? This has to be not more than 1200 words. Then we have to write a brief statement about yourself including details of your interests, hobbies, etc. And this is not supposed to be more than 900 characters. After filling all these details, I'm just getting a thorough check done of all the details I've filled up so that I don't miss anything, because most likely these details cannot be edited later on. I'll be moving forward with these two options, even if you want to save and exit the website, or else if we want to save and proceed to the upload documents section. Okay, so moving on to the upload documents section, we have to upload a photograph. It is supposed to be less than 100 KB and more than 75 KB in JPG or JPEG format. We have to upload our signature. It is the same procedure. It should be more than 75 KB and less than 100 KB, and that too in JPG or JPEG format. That would be it to the NID registration form. Now on, all we have to do is save and go to the payment section. We have to make the payment either via net banking or the other given options. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like and subscribe to the Key Art and Design channel. Thank you so much.